This is the cookbook my mom has been using for over 30 years now. It's called Calling All Cooks, and if you're from Alabama, I bet your mom, grandma, or someone you know has it in their kitchen right now. Today we're going to make the quick banana pudding recipe, and it really is quick. This recipe only has 6 ingredients: Cool Whip, sweetened condensed milk, instant pudding, milk, vanilla wafers, and bananas. Step 1. Layer bananas and vanilla wafers in a large casserole dish. I did a couple of layers just on the bottom, but you can get creative with this and make it look much more fancy. Step 2. Combine pudding, Cool Whip, Eagle brand milk, and milk. You can substitute these ingredients with the store brand versions. Also, the recipe calls for 1 small box of instant banana pudding mix, but instant vanilla pudding mix also works and is equally yummy. Step 3. Blend with mixer for 5 minutes. Step 4. Then pour mixture over bananas and wafers. Chill. This might be ready in a couple of hours, but if you leave it in the fridge overnight, it will definitely be ready to serve the next day. And there you have it, quick banana pudding from Calling All Cooks.